Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah. This week, today, it's our first combination.
It's the first time.
Yeah, I'm co-founder of Atmoph, Kyohi.
I'm Toki. I'm in charge of sales at Atmoph.
Okay, so welcome back to our Instagram live. I'm Yu and I'm doing marketing internship at Atmoph.
And I'm Zuru. I'm doing software development intern in Atmoph.
Yeah, it's Friday, so. Yes, we always do our live on Friday, so.
Hello, I'm Chikako at Customer Relation at Atmoph.
And to say about my favorite view, like this is my favorite view when I'm working. This is, I think it's Manhattan. It makes me feel like I'm working at the center of New York.
So
Hello.
where are you at now?
Actually, at the Camel River.
Okay,
I'll show
you've
you.
arrived. Oh wow, that's great. Okay.
Yeah.
At my house here now.
It looks like a cafeteria. Looks so fantastic.
Yeah,
This one?
let's turn it in camera. And
Mhm.
this is our dining.
Dining. Also, you're decorating your Atmoph window at dining room.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm.
While we are having lunch or dinner, we can
Ah.
see the world.
Park. Skate park.
Also from the United States. Oh. Very sporty.
Yes.
I think this could be Kansan. I made a mistake just now. But I don't know his hobby, but he might secretly like skateboarding.
Really?
Kansan, I hope so.
Really?
I mean, if I'm wrong with the other one, this
Uh-huh.
could be it.
Okay, so your final answer is this is Kansas view? Kansas
Yeah.
picked this view, right?
I hope so.
Alright, let's invite our guest.
Who is it? What? It's Kansan.
Hey,
Yoko-san!
I'm Yoko. I'm not Kansan.
I was tricked.
Again.
Oh, you have a Christmas tree at
Yeah,
your home.
So
Cute.
no.
Wow.
Wow. I mean, we didn't get a chance to set up ourselves. We only have this one.
Small.
It's not, it's also fine. Isn't it cute?
That's the best we have for now.
Okay, so Yoko-san, why did you choose this view?
Yeah, I can't skateboarding, but I went to a college in San Diego, and this view makes me feel like living there.
That makes sense.
Yeah, the sky is beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Sunset.
And everyone is doing sports. Looks so energetic.
Yeah.
Finally. Finally, and you missed it.
It
Yeah.
looks so good. It looks so calm.
Yeah.
So why did you pick this view?
Yeah, the reason is that as Zulfar told, and I spent some time in California, and this place is at the border of California and Oregon. It reminds me of Sea of California. And also, recently I watched the movie Cast Away again. Do you know it? Tom Hanks. It's kind of old movie. You're too young to know.
Which one? Which one? Could you please say that again?
Cast Away.
That's
That's
weird.
away? No.
I'm not
But I
very
know
familiar
Tom
with it.
Hanks.
Yeah, I know Tom Hanks, but
Yeah,
not that
watch
particular
that.
movie.
Yes.
Plane crashed and he needed to survive in island 4 years. So
This island.
no, that was in Tahiti. it's different, but it reminds me of.
Maybe we
Anyway.
should watch that movie
Yeah.
after
Yeah.
this live.
And
But
also,
you've actually been to this place before.
no.
I
Wood,
two
the
have
wood room.
windows.
Yeah.
Borrowing them from the office, both of them,
Oh, so jealous. You borrowed them from office.
so that I can answer to inquiries and so that I can know the features very well
Yeah.
by myself.
Yeah, right. So
That's
that
the original Atmoph.
that one is Atmoph one,
It's
right?
fire.
The
And
fire, the
this
bonfire.
is the
Atmoph window 2.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not using the Manhattan view. You don't like working in the
I
city.
like the city views as well, but I usually use I view the nature views
Nature views.
Like,
So you like
this is
working in the
from-
nature.
from Netherlands.
The challenge of Ghibli and Disney landscape. Yay!
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It's a Kiki's delivery service.
Yay! Is it too simple? The questions are.
I just wonder it's like one more movie. It's like Porco.
Porco Rosso, right?
Yeah, I just
Yes.
thinking this one.
Yes. Okay, so Nakano-san, it's your turn. So we invited Nakano-san as our guest.
Hi guys.
Would you like to introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, I'm a co-founder and software engineer working for Atmoph.
Yay! Okay, I will give you a difficult one. Here's the landscape of Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu, I know Machu Picchu.
Yes. Do you know
It's,
the name of the
animation?
animation? No,
animation?
please don't say that. So the first hint is that it's a Ghibli movie.
Yeah. This is Machu Picchu. Yeah.
Yes.
I know
This
this
is Machu
place.
Picchu.
Uh,
So this,
is that animation?
yes, it's an animation, and the animation is considered as the location is considered as like Machu Picchu.
Can you give me some hint?
Yes, of course. So, actually, this is the first film that is animated by Ghibli Studio.
I see.
Very difficult, right?
Difficult. Yeah. More hints. Let me.
Chikako-san.
I think I got the answer.
Ah.
It's this story like adventure. It's
Yes.
a boy and a girl.
A young boy and a young girl who attempt to keep a crystal
Crystal?
stone,
Yeah.
shining crystal stone from the military agents. Yes.
Raptor?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, that's all for today. That's all for today.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
again,
Christmas,
and
guys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
See you next year.
See you next year.
Bye.
Thanks for joining. Bye.
Yeah, go to Malibu.
Malibu.
Yeah. And maybe many of you may know the Iron Man.
The Iron Man.
Yep, Iron Man.
Of course, I know the Iron Man.
It's Marvel's
Marvel movie.
Yeah, Tony Stark.
Tony Stark.
Iron Man.
Mhm.
He's living in Malibu, and the house is this.
Wow.
Maybe some of you may know that Tony Stark's house is at Malibu.
Tony Stark. You mean the Iron Man, not the actor, right?
Not the actor,
No.
the character inside the red iron suit, and he's living in Malibu.
Malibu.
And many Hollywood stars also live there too.
Wow. Wow.
Someday I might live there too.
Me too.